Here considered an input x of n. Here we have done some operations, and we will analyze what are all the things. First considered here, I have done interpolation. Here I have done decimation. Okay, so interpolation by a factor 2 and decimator by a factor 3. So considered it. So first it is given to an interpolator. So interpolate means increasing the sampling rate. So here I am going to add m minus 1 samples. So here that is the upsample factor is 2. So 2 minus 1 sample I am going to add. So I have inserted 1 zeros in between the sample. Okay, next one, here it is a down sample, yd of n, down sample by a factor of 3, which means that I am going to remove 2 samples in between. Okay, so what I have done is I have considered 1, removed these 2 samples, then 0, 2, 0, then 5, 0 minus 1, then 0, minus 2, 0, 2, then 0, then 3, 0, cancel, then sorry, here it is 0, then this thing will get cancelled, then you will have 2, then again you will have 1. Okay, so that is, here we have done the decimating. Okay, so the same concept here I have done. What I have done is I have done a that is decimator and an interpolator. I have done decimator for it, that is decimator by a factor 3, means we are going to discard 2 samples. So 1 I have discard 3, 2, so 5, minus 1 minus 2 I have discard, so it is 2, then I have discard 3, 2, then I got 1, then I am going to increase the sampling rate by a factor 2. So increasing the sampling rate by a factor 2 means inserting 1 0. So here 1, here in between 1 0 I have inserted. So now see both the results of the final results, here both the results are same. Okay, so interpolating, decimation and interpolating, both the results are same. Now consider this one, that is the upsample by a factor 2, downsample by a factor 4. So upsample by a factor 2, I have inserted zeros in between. Then I have downsample this resultant by a factor 4, just I have discard 3 samples in between. So I have got this one. So here the same another concept, here I have downsample the original signal. So I am getting downsample means I am going to remove 4 minus 1 sample. So I have removed these 3 samples. So I got 1 minus 1. Similarly I have removed minus 2, 2, 3 and I got 2. Now I am going to perform this upsampling means inserting zeros in between. So here 2, so I have inserted 1 zeros. Now see the output, here both are not same, here both are same, here both are not same. Why the reason? The reason is simple. Here L and M coefficients are not co-prime factor, not co-prime. Okay, so here if it is a co-prime, you can have like this, that is if this is or not, these are the not co-prime factors. So here you will get this resultant only. So this condition is not same for all the interpolating factor and decimating factor. So this will be applicable only if you have a prime factor. Okay, so here so this is what you need to understand understand this concept.